How can you improve your CIBIL score quickly in 3 months or less? I'll tell you all the secrets. Hang around. What's up, people? Welcome to another episode. This is Mani Karthik here. Nice to see you all back, and thanks a lot for your comments. As you can see, things have changed a lot in this channel in the last few episodes. Thanks a lot for all the feedback. They have been helping me a lot to make better content for you. Please keep them coming. I greatly appreciate it. So, CIBIL scores. If you're watching this video, you probably know what a CIBIL score is. So I'm not going to explain in detail what it is. But for those of you wondering, it is basically a measure of your credibility or how trustworthy you are in terms of financial institutions. It's a score that ranges from 350 to 850, and the higher, the better. Banks look at your CIBIL score when you apply for loans, etc. Now you might be wondering, I haven't checked or know anything about my CIBIL score yet, so why should I care? Let me tell you. Well, the fun thing is that there are 4 agencies in India that keep track of your CIBIL score even if you didn't want or ask them to. They know what loans you've taken, what credit cards you own, whether or not you have been making payments regularly or not. And based on these factors, they have a score for you whether you like it or not. So the good thing is that you can check your CIBIL score online for free using one of their tools. The link I've posted in the description, do check it out. You just have to punch in your personal ID and your KYC details like your PAN card, etc. and you will get your score online for free. The funny thing is that you may think it's all okay and your finances are perfect, but the old credit card that you forgot to pay off from 5 years ago might still be there. So make sure you check it out. So anyways, if you have a low CIBIL score, let's say, here are 5 simple and easy ways by which you can fix it, repair it, and bring it back to normal or even higher. So I know what you're thinking. You might be wondering, how do I know all this works, right? Well, I tested it. As a return from US in 2017, I checked my CIBIL score online and boy, I was shocked. I found out that there was this HSBC credit card from some 10 years ago that I had forgotten to cancel and which accrued some fines. It was some 29,000 rupees that it accrued in the last 10 years. And this was creating a negative mark on my CIBIL score. Here's how I fixed it. Number 1, pay your credit card bills on time and in full. Many of us have credit cards and the habit of paying off the minimum balance every month. This is a big mistake. If your credit card bill is, let's say, 10,000 rupees, pay off the entire 10,000 rupees that month once the bill comes to you. Don't just pay the minimum. Once you pay in full, this is a strong indicator to credit agencies that you are a trustworthy person. If you keep continuing to do this, you will see that your CIBIL score will keep improving steadily over a period of time. By the way, if you're someone who doesn't have a credit card, like a student or someone, then get a secure credit card or a prepaid credit card and pay your bills on time. It's probably the easiest way to improve your CIBIL score in the shortest time possible. Number 2, spend only 30% of your credit card limit. Now, many of us make this mistake of fully utilizing your credit card every month. For example, if your credit limit on the card is rupees 10,000, then you make purchases of almost 10,000 and max out your credit card. Everything looks normal, right? Because you only spent within your limits. But what really happens is that the credit reporting agencies I mentioned to you earlier will report to CIBIL that you have spent all of your allowed money. Basically, it's like this. Imagine you're in high school and you were allowed rupees 500 as your pocket money by parents. If you went ahead and spent the full amount on things that you actually liked, will your parents have a good impression of you? Probably not. So they might think, this fellow don't know how to control his spending habits, so it's better we give him less money next time. So same thing happens with CIBIL as well, and they will give you a negative score, thereby lowering your CIBIL score. So instead of spending maximum, spend only 30% or less of your credit card every month and pay it off in full when the bill comes out. You'll be surprised to see the increase in score you get. Number 3 is do not apply for multiple credit cards or loans simultaneously. Many of us have the stupid habit of rolling money. That is, take money from one credit card, pay off another one, take a personal loan from one bank and pay off another loan. This is a really bad move. Because like I said earlier, when you apply for a loan or a credit card, most banks check your CIBIL score, sometimes even without your knowledge, with credit reporting agencies. And when they see that for one person there are too many applications or credit checks coming in, they kind of feel suspicious. and for each credit check, you get a negative point. So if there are many credit checks, you can imagine how much damage it will make on your CIBIL score. So avoid applying for multiple loans or credit cards too close to each other and only apply for financial products you absolutely need. Number 4 is clean up inaccuracies in your credit history. Now, you already know that there is a financial history or credit report in your name with the top 4 agencies that I mentioned earlier. Now, it is quite possible that they have some wrong information or inaccurate information about you. It's quite possible. Like that old credit card information about me I found out later. You might have something like that from the past in your name on the report, and it might be negatively affecting you. So what you need to do is to remove such inaccurate remarks from your profile and essentially clean it. And for this, you first need to get your credit history. This is the report those 4 agencies have in your name. The good thing is that you can get it for free from them once a year. There's a link in the description where you can apply and get your free credit history. This will have all the financial information about you from the past few years. Once you get it, go into the report and see if there are any inaccurate entries that you think should be removed. Things like old closed accounts or a wrong entry or anything of that nature. You can raise a dispute with CIBIL and have them cleared successfully. Once you have them removed, your CIBIL score will benefit and improve. So there you have it, guys. 4 ways to improve your CIBIL score easily and quick. I know. Many of us don't take this seriously, but it's better to be proactive and have it all fixed well ahead than run for help when you are in an emergency. The links to the services I mentioned are in the description. Do take a look. Most of them are free and safe, so make use of it. I hope this video was useful to you. If yes, you know what to do. Please hit the like button so I get the motivation and pressure to make more useful videos like this in the future. Also, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd highly appreciate it. See you in another video. This is Mani Karthik signing off.